This is Moshe, the Electric Israeli. Welcome to my kitchen. You know, you don't see that much because I put you in the corner. Not in the car today. And I'm so excited. First of all, if you are new to my channel, welcome. Please subscribe. Help me change the world one electric car at a time. And if you are returning, welcome back again. And thank you for your support. If you did not have a chance to watch, Tesla Model Y is out. I watched all the videos. I made 2 videos already. I'm going to put some links above my head. And today I really want to do a comparison between the Tesla Model 3 that I own and the Tesla Model Y that nobody owns because it's not out there. But we can configure it and we know the prices and the range. I'm going to tell you what I think about the Model Y at the end. And I'm going to tell you what analysts and experts and people say about it in the business world at the end, and then we'll compare. So let's go quickly through the main components. Price: the Tesla Model 3 starts at $35,000 all the way to $58,000 without any option. And the Model Y will be at $39,000 for the base model in a couple years, all the way to $60,000 without any options. Range. The Tesla Model 3 starts at 220 miles for the lowest model, all the way to 325 like I have. And the Model Y will have 230 as the base model, all the way to 300 miles, which is very, very nice. Very, very similar to each other. Size is a very, very big difference. The Model Y looks exactly like the Model 3. It's like twin brothers. And the Model Y will be 10% bigger and 10% more expensive, obviously. And the cargo is a big difference. In the Model Y, you get 66 cubic feet versus 15 cubic feet in the Model 3, which makes the Model Y cargo more than 4 times bigger than the Model 3. Another big difference, the Model 3 is only a 5-seater, and the Model Y will have a 7-seat option in a couple of years. That's very important. Obviously, the Model Y has the hatch, which is awesome. The Model 3 does not. The Model 3 is available now. The Model Y will be available in a year or year and a half from now. Speed, 0 to 60 or 0 to 100 kilometers, starting in the Model 3, 3.2 seconds from 0 to 60, all the way to 5.65 seconds. Okay, 0 to 60, as opposed to the Model Y, which is slightly slower. I mean, we're talking about fractions, 3.5 the fastest to 5.5 the slowest, 0 to 60 or 0 to 100 kilometers per hour. Top speed, Model 3, 162 miles per hour top speeds, and the Model Y will be 150 miles per hour. Now, very important, I want to mention that when I made the reservation for my Model 3 among 400,000 other people around the world, I put $1,000 deposit. If you look at the configuration of the Model Y, you have to put $2,500. I wonder if that's going to hurt a Tesla Model Y orders. Having said that, all the options, autopilot, colors, wheel size, full self-driving, what else you got? The color, the tone of the color, white or black. Anything that is available on the Model 3 is available on the Model Y. And like I said at the beginning, they look exactly the same. Just the Model Y is bigger. It's like somebody took a Play-Doh and just stretched it a little bit. The front of the 2 cars look exactly the same. The back, it looks like somebody pulled the Model Y. It's very interesting back because it's tall, and I love it. So these are more or less the main components. Now let me tell you what I think about it. I love it. I absolutely love it. I stayed up last night in Eastern time until almost close to 1 a.m. I watched the whole thing. I watched some post videos. I watched some other videos. And I'm telling you, kudos for Tesla of really copying the Model 3, making it bigger, making options for it. It's not, the price is perfect. The options are awesome. It's simple. It looks great. They did not repeat the mistakes that they did with the Model Y that took 1,000,000 years to fix. Awesome. I love it. I absolutely love it. It's familiar. The inside, the outside, the aerodynamic is just bigger. And crossovers, as you know, is a hot commodity in the United States and has been for many, many years. It's the best-selling segment in the United States. And I think Tesla is going to do extremely well. But that's not what the analysts and experts think. Tesla stock got slammed today by $14. They were not impressed. Tesla Model Y is not impressive according to them. It's like a kind of Tesla Model 3 stuffed with things and a little bigger. Yes, that's what it is. It's exactly what it is, and that's why it's so awesome, and that's why it's so good. I'm telling you, people will grow to love it. It's a great practical car. Now look, I have a Model 3. I have a Chevy Volt. My wife drives the Model 3. I drive the Chevy Volt. My older son will need a car in a year and a half. I am telling you that once that happens, Model 3 is at the top of my choices. I was going to go with the Nissan Leaf or maybe the Hyundai Kona or the whatever it is, Kia EV, whatever that is. I don't know. I don't think so. I don't think so. I mean, the Tesla Model Y looks so amazing, so simple. As much as I love the Model 3, I'm going to love the Model Y even more. I love the hatch. I love the range. I love the options for the 7-seat. I will get a third row as an option. It's always good to have more. My mother said, something long will make something short, not the other way around. In other words, where you have options, you have options. You can have it so you need it. I don't know why the analysts and the money people on Wall Street didn't like it. They say there's some kind of a slowing down of the Model 3 orders. I don't know. We will see how the year play out. I think that Tesla did the right thing. Kudos, my compliment to Tesla. I want to know, guys, what you think. What do you think? Tell me what you think. Put in the comment. What do you think about the price, the range, the look, the size, the options, everything that just mentioned and anything else that you would like to mention? And I think it's going to be a big hit. The only thing I can tell you, not to make everything sounds perfect, is the $2,500 deposit. Some people will have a hard time parting with that kind of money for 2 years from now. So we'll see what happened. They came through with the Model 3. They did everything they say they will do, and I believe that this will happen as well. Let me know what you think. Meanwhile, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Help me change the world one electric car at a time. Next time I see you for my car, where I see you most of the time, but you know, for a change, why not? All right, guys, see you tomorrow.